Hey folks, how's it going? We are at Tulsa, Oklahoma at Aircraft Specialties, picking up all our machine parts, steel parts, internals for the engine, and we're out on the west side of the airport. So we're going to get a tour of Aircraft Specialties real quick. This is one episode you won't want to miss. How's it going, folks? Here we are at Aircraft Specialties with Matthew Merrill for the Cook's Tour. So thanks for having us. We really appreciate it.
Thanks for coming out.
Okay, here we go. Into the belly of the beast. Okay, man. Lead the way.
So you know, straight back to shipping.
Yeah, where we're just...
I'm gonna grab a hat.
Oh, there you go. Okay, Edgar. You want to be on... You want to be on YouTube?
As a meeting.
That's okay. This is Edgar Esparza. He is he's my parts guy. He sells a whole mess of parts, and if you call Aircraft Specialties, you're probably going to be talking to Edgar, right?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Yeah. So they have
Me or David.
Yeah. Or David. What lines do you guys carry as far as engine parts?
Engine parts, Superior, Lycoming, basically anything you want, we can try to order it for you.
Yeah, and then you also have all the other ancillary type stuff that FBOs need too.
Yes, sir.
Oil filters.
Yeah, oil filters, bracket air filters, everything like that.
Okay, tires,
tubes. I don't know.
Okay,
oil analysis kits.
Okay, everything.
Spark plug gaskets.
Okay, cool. And you guys ship every day all around the country, I'm sure.
Yeah, every day we ship at least 40 packages or so.
Okay, cool. Okay, man. Back to work.
Okay.
We'll see how this comes out.
Yeah. Thank you.
One of the barrels.
Super duper.
That's Bobby. You probably talked to him at some point.
Yes, sure did. Okay, cool.
Hang on, Jared.
There we are. This looks familiar.
Right before it gets busy.
Hey guys.
Hey. This is Joel.
What don't you guys like when stuff shows up?
Packing peanuts.
Packing peanuts.
And
peanuts are
and
the devil.
tape. When people try to tape like their cranks and stuff, like the mains and stuff, I mean, they're just creating more corrosion for themselves possibly.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah.
What I try to do is I try to oil it up, bag it, and then secure it that way. You know.
Well, you're one of the few that think that process through.
Yeah. Okay. And then we've heard some Eric up front was telling us some horror stories about great stuff.
Yes. Boxes are key, not crates. It's not a coffin. It's not the depth of it.
Yeah. Anyway, but good. I'll let you get back to it. Thanks, guys.
Thanks for what you're doing.
And you can see the gentleman back there wrapping and packing. Okay, I'm gonna go back here and bug him real quick. What's going in here? Crankshaft?
No, these are cams actually.
Camshafts. Okay.
Yeah.
And so
Guy had sent in 11 cams. And instead of just sending in 11 boxes, just split it up into two
pack.
boxes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And your boxes, you've been using those boxes. They're pretty well designed for your stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we've never had anything damaged coming to us from you guys with those
We
boxes.
pretty much use the same boxes for 30 years.
Yeah, they work. They're
Been that
robust.
long?
Yeah.
Wow.
The biggest problem I have with your boxes is eventually getting rid of one of them. I kind of hate to get rid of them.
Kind of like an apple
We
box.
normally get a lot of them back.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. If anybody needs one, or needs something, we'll send them a box.
Yeah. So your parts come in.
They come in, we open them up, and catalog them, figure out what they are, what they want done to them.
Yeah. And that's something we try to do. Is we try to send you an inventory with part numbers to help you guys out.
Yes, yeah, that's very important.
Yeah.
If you just tell us an engine, I mean, it gets you halfway. We really need part numbers more than anything.
Because it's going to delay.
Yeah.
Anything's going to be delayed.
Yeah, and it helps if you need anything extra like bearings and or gasket sets or anything like that. It helps narrow it down also.
Sure.
A lot of that.
Okay, cool.
So this is actually one of the end stages here. But to go into here, let's call this the dungeon. The dungeon. But everything comes in here and gets cleaned.
Gotta be clean.
You get all of the sludge off of the cranks. You got a big pretty much a washing machine here. That gets everything. Okay. So we got a little tank in there that gets all the real thick sludge off, and this just gets everything else.
Yeah, that looks like your standard engine cleaner that automotive shop. Basically, you're getting the crap off.
Yeah. The Maximo here, he breaks everything down, takes it all completely apart.
Okay.
Any cranks that come in with counterweights on them, we'll take them off. Rods, we'll take completely apart. Stuff like that.
Yeah.
Clean all the cams, all the rods, all the cranks, rocker arm, anything steel.
Yeah.
We'll clean it right up.
But the biggest thing is getting all the sludge out and all that.
Yeah.
That's always brutal to get out.
They just do cranks and cams, and we have a rod department. We have another building back there. You want to go back there?
Okay, cool.
Yeah. It comes from here, and then there it gets kind of distributed. We'll go through here.
Yeah, cool.
This recording is sponsored by Staples Stores. Mostly sunny, breezy, and warm for this good climate. I think you'll be able to find the upper 50s.
Boom. Oh, there we go.
So after everything gets cleaned, we have to get one of the big reasons why they need to get cleaned.
Oh, there we go. Magnaflux.
Because
Or magnetic particle is the proper terminology.
NDT, non-destructive testing, mag particle. There's a solution you use. You really want to get it cleaned for that.
Cool.
This is one of our mag rooms. We got another one.
So you'll do this. This will be initial inspection. See if it's worth machining.
Right.
Right. Yep.
Yeah. Well, or saving. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
So here's that.
Boop.
And then once everything's good, that also is that's a determination for. Can we do anything with it? And talk to the customer.
I know very little. Excuse me, but that's eddy current, right? I think that's eddy current.
Yeah, we call it ultrasound.
Yeah, ultrasound.
Yeah.
Cool. So you do everything that the manufacturers require.
Yeah.
Got it all.
That's strict for Continental requires that. So
Yeah, you got it all on site.
Right.
Okay, cool.
So then once we figure all that out, then all comes into here.
So then they go through different machining, grinding.
Yeah, we got 3 crane grinders right now. Looking at another one. 2 crane grinders. Let me walk on through.
Wow. So how much?
Oh, Larry. Yeah, we usually work on our 4 cylinders on there.
Okay. Four cylinders.
He's doing
Is that balancing?
no
Or polishing?
No, he's working on the flange. We do flange repair.
Oh,
on
okay,
that.
gotcha, gotcha.
For the
Yeah, the corrosion on the flange.
I forget the circuit voltage.
Yep.
But we also do the 5. It's called 505. We call it 505. The shorthand. Yeah, where you go up inside for light coming.
Okay, cool.
Up inside the front end.
Then your standard Bridgeport for miscellaneous stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we for 475 the crank gears, the light coming crank gears, we do that among other things over there.
Okay.
We don't. Yeah, I mean, everything here is pretty much purpose for a specific purpose.
Yeah.
We don't really make anything on
It's
that.
set up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't really get too creative over there. Anything like that.
Okay.
So,
And these things look beautiful.
but yeah, sand grinder. And then once all that gets done, they go back to the back. Once you check that, then they're good. Then they get polished. These are waiting to get polished.
Okay. And I'm seeing the EOSA stuff, so that's going international, I guess.
Yeah, that's
Going somewhere.
I think they're actually Hungarian.
Oh wow, that's cool.
We have an automatic polisher. Our guy who runs that is working on
Okay.
cranks, but our balancer's over there.
And these camshafts, now they've got they're ground, and then
No, those are waiting to be ground.
waiting to be ground. Okay.
But what would your train of thought?
Well, the question on that is, do you end up replating them? Putting new copper plate on?
No.
Okay.
No, we don't. No.
You don't have to mess with that?
Yeah, you don't. Those are all light cones.
Yeah, those are all like
well,
these are Continental.
these are light cones. These are Continental.
Yeah.
Those are all your park price. Those alone. Now, sometimes we get a request to do that for like that's usually for an experimental.
Yeah, Harvey or something.
Yeah. But that's rare.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
But yeah, and actually, so once all that's done, they get reground, they get re-inspected, then they get polished, they get cleaned up.
Then final.
This is final inspection. This is Harold. He's the chief inspector, head quality guy.
Hi, how are you?
Hey.
And yeah,
He's Inspector 12.
yeah. Yeah, he goes through and he double checks all the dimensions, looking for any obvious physical defect, anything any of these guys might have missed.
Yeah.
We catch it here. We check the dimensions of plans, check all the rod bearing journals, main bearing journals, check all the oil passages. I help out with this sometimes too. But yeah, and they do this not quite the same thing for rods. We've got another room, but we also do lifters.
You can do that. Because you guys do lifters, lifters, cams, rods, basically all the steel internals.
Everything in this room is mostly cams and crankshaft, right? Camshaft. I keep using shorthand. Camshafts, crankshafts.
That's okay. That's okay.
But these just got back from plating.
Okay.
That's another step in the process.
Now, do you do your own plating, or is that
No,
you send it out?
There's another FAA repair station
Down the way?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what they do. They're just down the road. But they get nitride, reground, get rid of the coating on it, the nitride coating, because it's just hardened. Re-inspected on the ND sheets or on the mag truck, and then polished.
Okay, cool.
You know,
Do the color of the envelopes mean anything?
those
Red,
that's
green,
like
black?
these are our usual normal
flow?
work orders. This is something special going on.
Okay.
For a special customer.
So they get special handling.
Not necessarily, it's just something specific for one customer we're doing it right now. I forget who it is.
Cool. So you do have a color code process. It's
Yeah,
kind of neat.
yeah.
It's also a place to come.
So this is our other inspection room. Camera guy's being his best behavior.
Paparazzi.
Yeah. This is mostly for tappet bodies and barrel lifters. We got a bunch of
So this is where my parts come.
we got a bunch of Continentals right now.
Yep.
But Chad here does actually this final inspection on the lifters. And
So how many do you guys, or do you have any idea how many you do typically a week or a
Chad?
month?
like thousands?
Gotta be, right?
Yeah.
There's 250 that I just inspected this morning, so I will say I think it's about 1,800 a month.
A month. Wow.
And just the barrels. We picked up a lot of business, so
Yeah.
we've been doing a bunch of them.
Yeah.
He physically and dimensionally checks each one
100%.
100%.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. We flow test them. That's what all that is for the Continental lifters anyway.
Sure.
And then yeah,
Okay. Wow. Busy.
a lot of monotony.
This is where the sausage gets made.
Yeah. But
Good. Keep it up.
Back to you guys.
More stuff.
So yeah, this is production for rods.
Okay, this is where the connection rods.
Well, this for we're making springs right now over here.
Okay.
We have PMA for
Oh, this is for the Continental starter spring.
starter springs.
Okay.
But we also on that one
So this is kind of heavy machine shop type stuff.
yeah.
This is manufacturing stuff. Yep.
This one we use for grinding the heads of the lifters.
Okay.
Rods, if we were need to narrow rods, you do some of that over here for Continental. Washing machines for the rods and rock arms and all that.
Clean them all up.
Similarly, do similar grinding for the tappets, lifters,
Mm-hmm.
and springs are over there, working on our counterweights over there. And this is our rod shop.
Okay.
Overall rods and counterweights and all that. That's Wade, Dakota.
Hey, Wade. You do good work, man.
Do what?
You can do good work.
Oh, every day.
Yeah. You're keeping us safe. That's good.
That's right. No, we try hard to put out very good parts.
Oh, yeah.
And consistent and accurate and as fast as possible.
Oh, yeah. All good stuff. We've been using it for years.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, once all the rods get done, they're not as involved as the cranks.
Yeah.
And there's still a lot to them, but
Mostly, because you're pressing bushings out
yeah.
and then putting new or bearings out and then putting new bearings in.
But you know, they
check twist, check weight.
Yeah,
check,
we check all that.
NDI, all that.
Yeah, they do all that. Yeah, our mag room is over there in the corner. All the we check the twist and convergence, and we got another inspection room up front just for that. But most everything's done back here. But final inspection really just involves checking the twist and convergence and just doing a quick visual inspection.
That was something I was wondering about, again, off the record. How often, or maybe on the record, good question, how often do you have bent rods or twisted rods? I mean, if an engine,
there's a fine line
if an engine normally ran, something that didn't have any trauma or hit the ground or anything, but a normal run engine, do you see that often? Because we always checked it. And I was just wondering,
it's like what we're approved for is actually a tighter tolerance than what the factory is.
Yeah.
So we ended up rejecting a few of them just for that.
Yeah.
When you say bent, like,
or actually,
what you mean by bent?
Actually twisted. I mean, actually, because we always check for straightness.
Yeah.
So actually, how many fall out for twist?
I can't give a percentage for that.
Just very low, but occasionally they do.
There's actually, based on our tolerances, we have to pick out quite a few. I can't give you a number for that.
Sure.
I've inspected quite a few. It's like, man, I don't want to, but you know we got to because we're right on that line. So.
Yeah.
But
seldom.
But as far as like every once in a while we'll get one that's like clearly like you don't even have to measure it. It's like no. Why did you send me this?
Exactly. Yeah. That's another thing is don't send you guys junk.
Yeah.
I mean it's because it's just going to cost money.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay. Cool. Okay, man.
Give you.
Oh. Yeah.
So whenever the cranks, after we grind the cranks, getting stuff installed, the green one here, heat them up. They're effectively case hardened. Ammonia backboard.
Yeah. It's ammonia.
Yeah, it's part of the process, ammonia. But yeah, we stick them in there, get them hot.
Okay, my nose is full.
Oh, you ready to get out of here? I can't smell anything right now.
Yeah, so. It's a little ammonia.
Yeah, okay.
Cool.
We'll get out of here.
Come on. My wife's giving me the high sign.
I guess I'm too used to it.
Yeah. Well, you're to the point now it's a good smell.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's right.
That's right.
Yeah, close your shop.
Boy, that was great. We really appreciate the folks at Aircraft Specialties showing us around the place. We've got everything loaded up for our build. We've got the crankcase set and all that. We've got the new rework parts and all that. In these boxes up in the middle of the car are the new parts. So now back on the road, heading back to the shop. So that's it for this episode of Hangar Rats Engine Build 0360.